In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the agenda template in Monday.com. Whether you're new to this platform or just looking to optimize your workflow, you'll find that using templates can really streamline your tasks and projects. So let's jump right in and make the most of Monday.com's features. First thing you want to do is open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you don't have an account, you'll want to create one, but assuming you do, let's move on to logging in. You'll see the login option right there on the homepage, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the login page, instead of entering your email and password manually, you can simply click on the Google button and select your Google account if you've previously set this up. It's a quick and easy way to sign in without remembering yet another password. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel on your dashboard. You're going to look for the plus icon. Clicking on this will give you access to a variety of new elements, but today we're specifically interested in the Template Center. So go ahead and click on the Template Center. This is where all of Monday.com's ready-to-use templates are housed. It's really helpful for getting started quickly on new projects. Now you will see a search bar at the top. Type in Agenda and give it a moment to load the results. Soon you'll see it, the Meeting Agenda template. Select the Meeting Agenda template from the list. This template is specially designed to help plan and track meeting details efficiently. It saves you from the hassle of creating a structure from scratch. Once you've selected the template, you'll see an option labeled Use Template. Click on this to add the template directly to your workspace. This action populates your selected board with the template structure, enabling you to start organizing and customizing your agenda items immediately. Now you can edit and fill in the details specific to your meeting. The interface is intuitive, allowing you to rename columns, add tasks, assign deadlines, and include any additional notes that are pertinent to your meeting's agenda. So there you have it. A simplified way to manage your meetings without the hassle of setting everything up manually, thanks to the wonders of Monday.com's templates. Keep experimenting with different templates to further enhance your workflow. That wraps up today's guide on how to use the agenda template in Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials to keep maximizing your productivity.